Sakitavan. Today I'm going to talk about a story. So let's begin. One day a man opened the gate and see a horse, and he would like that one, and he closed the door gate, and he take the key in his pocket, and then he also had a horse, and he said his horse that go our home and bring some food for me, and horse went to the home, and suddenly the horse break the one vase. On vase the time horse did not bring anything for his owner, and then he went to his owner and he said that I break a vase, my owner. The time the owner said that okay, make it easy, and then the horse said thanks for giving me this sandwich. And then the man what does the man said? The man said that you are more than welcome. And this is all for today. Bye bye.